Oh, God. I mean, I'm trying to record a video, but I mean, how do I not have this in frame? What is up? It's your boy Aing bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today I got an exciting one. Today I got a fun one. We're under an umbrella right now because it's raining, it's pouring. So today we got a fun one. I'm gonna be going over some modifications that you can't cheap out on. Some modifications that I'm learning the hard way about as we speak. So on this channel, you guys know I try to go creative. I try to make my own modifications sometimes, and well, you know how it goes. It doesn't turn out the best. So today's video, we're gonna be going over 3 mods you don't want to cheap out on. But nonetheless, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm probably gonna step inside now. Starting with number 1, you definitely don't want to cheap out on your fog lights. Now, some people don't care about them, some people care about them a lot, some people are just in the middle, and that's where I found myself until now. I genuinely thought they are like whatever, like you could just use these or you could use those and they get the job done. Yeah, kind of, sort of. So my first Tacoma was an SR, so it didn't have fog lights. Second was an SR5, had fog lights, but I didn't care. My third Tacoma, my Quicksand Tacoma, a company actually sent me out some LED headlights. I put a yellow tint over them. It was a film, amazing. And when I got this next truck, the Voodoo Blue Tacoma, I was like, okay, I need to get myself the same thing. I tried to get the same thing in orange, did not work. I ended up buying some LED bulbs from Amazon. Off the top of my mind, I can't remember how much I spent. I know for sure I spent under $30 because anything over $30 hits the boss's radar, and that is no bueno for me. Me and Sandy actually installed these. In the couple days ago, I was recording and something hit me, like out of the corner of my eye. One of the fog lights is already broken. Now I use the term broken very loosely in this case because it looks like the bulb is this way. It has a little like cap on the end that is maybe like a magnifier, something to extend the light. And it looks like that cap came off, but it looks like it can be screwed back on. Unfortunately, it's raining and dark, and I can't fix them right now, but it's been needing to be fixed like 2 weeks now. These aren't numbered in a way of making one another more important, if that makes any sense. It's just kind of how it's coming to my mind. Number 2, the bed mat. The bed mat, the bed mat. Oh, the bed mat. So this is one where I tried to cheap out, but I just felt like I could do it better, and I couldn't get a bed mat anytime soon. If you're a new viewer, go check out those videos. Check out the comment section on those videos. That comment still to this day holds the best comment section as of yet. But the bed mat is something you don't want to cheap out on. Now, I don't know about you, but I get creative. I try to make stuff on my own, try to be unique, try to be crazy, and well, sometimes it works. Sometimes it works. Other times it doesn't. I went and bought like 8 doorstep mats from Walmart, put them in the bed of the truck. It rained, it ruined my bed. As you can see here, it left like white stains, and then I got absolutely destroyed in the comment section. Thank you. I ended up going to buy a bed mat. In total, driving like 3 hours just for this bed mat. I ended up getting the bed mat, putting the door mats on the bed mat just to ruin, well, the bed mat. But nonetheless, you do not want to cheap out on it because one, you don't want to cheap out on your bed. You just paid like $35,000 to $45,000 for a Tacoma. Go ahead and get yourself a $100 bed mat. For me, it was $80, so look for a deal. Don't be creative. Some people use like foam, some people use plastic, some people use bubble wrap. People get crazy, so my idea, I thought, well, it can't be that bad. It was that bad. And last but not least, this one I'm still guilty of. Seat covers. You do not want to be cheap on your seat covers. I don't know if you've heard this saying or not, but it's something my mom always used to tell me. If you buy something cheap, it's gonna end up being more expensive later. And I try to listen to that as best as I can. You're buying them to protect your seat, right? Not something to just go over your seat. Now, if you just don't like the color of gray and you just wanna put something black on there, by all means, go for it. But if you're buying something purposefully to cover your seats, protecting them from stains and such, I've had a couple friends where they buy seat covers, they use them, and they're like, oh, they're great, blah, 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 blah. Then you take up their seat covers and there's like stains of soda. There's just so many stains. And I'm like, bro, were the seats like this before or after the seat cover? You wanna get something that's liquid resistant, something that's scratch resistant, something that will hold up the test of time. So I definitely recommend doing your research and spending some money to make sure that your seats underneath your seat covers are actually protected. So with all that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm sorry that I was trapped inside my Tacoma. It's not a bad thing, but I don't know how you feel about me being, you know, sitting and talking in the Tacoma. I like to be more energetic, up and around, jumping around like a crazy. You finished that sentence for me, but nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. Tell me what other modifications I missed out that you probably shouldn't be a cheapo on, because I'm sure there's 1.5 million that I missed, but these are the 3 that I'm living with, I'm dealing with right now. I don't wish a bad modification on my worst enemy, okay? You go through the excitement of actually getting it, and then when you get it, it fails. It's not good. It's not good. So leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Thank you guys so much for all the support. We're getting so close to 3,000 subscribers. At 3,000 subscribers, I definitely want to do a giveaway, something to show my appreciation to you guys. So, but with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.